Wondering why your YouTube gaming channel isn't growing? Missing the key ingredient? Well, I don't have it, but you can start by avoiding these 10 mistakes YouTubers make. I'll run through them all, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White, and welcome back to VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos. And hey, if it's your first time here and you want to learn more about making better online videos to attract more views, then consider subscribing now and clicking the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Reason number one why YouTube gaming channels fail is they make videos no one is searching for or are too competitive to rank for. You have to invest some time into learning what is called SEO to understand the behaviors and search patterns from your target audience. In other words, how people are searching for your videos on YouTube. Number two, your videos just suck. While I believe your audience will be very forgiving of how your videos look, it will only stand true if the actual content in your video is compelling. Ask yourself, what will viewers gain by watching your video? Are you addressing their needs or your own? Number three is burnout. It's real. I see it all the time. We set unrealistic expectations such as number of weekly uploads or having so many subs by a certain date. You need to embrace the process of finding success on YouTube. Number four, bad audio in gaming videos will drive away viewers quicker than anything else. Especially since most of the time we only see gameplay, your commentary needs to be pristine. Use a microphone. Number five is you keep producing the same crap nobody wants by never paying attention to your video analytics and data, like when your videos experience drop-off and how long people are watching your videos. Figure out the problems and fix it. Number six is you never pivot your video content. Eventually, the game you've grown your channel on will become unpopular. Pay attention to trends, new games, or technology you can take advantage of to produce content around. Number seven is you just focus too much attention on monetization. Remember, the reason why people watch your content is for entertainment value or it's teaching them something. Keep it simple. Number eight is channels solely rely on making money from YouTube only, when there are many more opportunities to generate income and growth through affiliate marketing channels, endorsements, and collaborations with like-minded channels or brands. Number nine is you never take steps to master the video production process. And as a result, you're spending gobs of time shooting and editing your videos for little to no satisfaction. Research how to spend less time making more videos. Last but not least, reason number 10 is no matter the resources available to grow your channel, you still don't take action on anything that's recommended, which translates to a poor experience as a YouTube video creator. Follow the steps, apply them, and do it the same for every video. What am I missing? Let me know any mistakes you've made and learned from in the comment section below. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash me a like. And if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos.